YouTubers, what's happening? It's Heavy Hammer at the bench, and I got mail, baby. This is from SilverAddict802, good buddy of mine. Real cool cat. Done business a few times with him. Never had an issue. Very prompt shipping. Nice packaging. You know, correspondence the whole time. Kind of everything you're looking for in a good deal. Someone good to work with, I guess I should say. He's quite stacker too. He's knowledgeable. He's taught me a few things. Maybe I've taught him a couple things. Who knows? But good dude. Either way, I traded him I traded him a Geiger bar, 10 ouncer. So. Just for some things, maybe for my son, maybe a couple for me. Look at that. My man. Where do we start? I'm just gonna pull stuff out here and see if I can't get to a note. Man, there's a ton of stuff in here. It's funny. Haha. Alright. So first off, look at that. Oops. Man, the light is terrible. Burned out a couple lights in here and haven't gotten to it yet. Wow. Just killed it. Look at them ridges. Holy smokes. And this is legit. This is a real spearhead that he did. I sent him the spearhead and we went through all the stress of that because, you know, it's not something you can replace. So, and I'm proud to say, I'm looking at it right here. I'm not going to unbox it for you guys right now. I want to really take my time with that. But let me tell you, knocked it out of the park. This, if you haven't noticed yet, that's 4 9s, guys. Four and a half ounces. Just a beauty. Proud to have it. Proud to have my friend make it. Even more proud that he made that for me. Nice. Good looking, dude. Look what he sent with it. Ain't that the truth? Alright, so I'm not really seeing a note or anything. Kind of really nice packaging though. So sent me some stickers, man. Cool. I'm a sticker junkie. All my welding machines are covered with them, and all my toolboxes. Trying to figure out what this Orvis fly fishing. That's so funny. I know some Orvises. Huh. That's cool. That's actually funny. One of the guys in my wedding's last name was Orvis. Don't talk to him a lot anymore, but I know him. Little bonus, little EDC. Good night. The light is terrible in here. See if I can't adjust this lamp a little bit. There we go. Nice. Did you make that, bro? Let me know. Has some awesome knot tying right there. While we're on it, I'm the den master for my Cub Scouts in my hometown. I just did this one not too long ago. It was actually my first one I ever did. I've seen them all over the place, and they're so easy to make. It's crazy. So thank you for that, man. I got some cool stuff that can go on. Looks like we got a little bit of bonus coin here. Alright. Rosie, Jefferson, and Kennedy. Nice. Thanks, brother. Alright. These are pretty exciting. I know what these are. Well, I don't know which ones, but beautiful packaging. Thank you on that, man. That's a 17P Koala. Early release, MS69. This will go in my son's collection of koalas, I'm sure. He ain't gonna let me slide with that one, but he takes real good care of his coins, so I'll be proud to have him take care of that for me. I'll try to speed this up for you guys. There's just a lot here. Okay. This first one of these I've actually owned, of the iguana. Real cool. Like them cards. I'm just going to kind of fly through it, and then I'll go through the stuff a little better. But for now, this will work. Pandas, baby. There she is, first coupe I've ever owned. Beautiful. Beautiful. Fantastic. And then just to seal the deal, we needed something just to top it all off. You know, we don't always got a deal in silver and coinage, so I actually really liked the chain he had, showed me a while back, and he was nice enough to throw it out there, and I was very receptive to the idea. I have quite a few chains and bracelets and stuff, and nice sterling cross. Be an interesting mold. I like it. So yeah. We got all kinds of stuff here, so real happy with that. Silver Addict, good looking out, brother. Look forward to seeing your unboxing and seeing what you think of that bar. It's just a beauty, and couldn't think of a better guy to trade it off to than you, brother. So, you know, again, this all started with this guy. Get you on a little better light here. Look at that. 4 9s. Beautiful. Proud to own it, bro. Alright. That'll be enough for me taking up your guys' time today, but thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you around. Heavy out.